हेलो एवरीवन। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट। चूज द करेक्ट आर्टिकल एंड fill in the blanks. First, Ramu is dash honest man. Ramu is an honest man. Second, there lived dash wolf in dash forest. There lived a wolf in a forest. Third, I saw dash rainbow in the sky. I saw a rainbow in the sky. Fourth, dash elephant is dash land animal. An elephant is a land animal. Fifth, dash dog in the village barked loudly. The dogs in the village barked loudly. Sixth, my father is dash professor. My father is a professor. Seventh, I want dash orange. I want an orange. Eighth, dash eggs were broken. The eggs were broken. Ninth, a bee is dash useful insect. A bee is an useful insect. 10th, dash Earth is the only planet that supports life. The Earth is the only planet that supports life.